have this pie crust I need to use up, so I'm going to make some homemade Pop-Tarts. Okay, I thought about strawberry jam, thought about strawberries, but I want to do a peaches and cream one. So it's going to be a peaches and cream homemade Pop-Tart. All right, now this is taking it to another level. I don't know if there's a peaches and cream, but I thought that would sounded delicious. So I'm just going to cut this peach up, one peach, and it's probably going to be more than enough. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in it, a little bit of sugar, cook it together, and put a little bit of cornstarch in there. Now, of course, you can use any fruit, so. All right. Now, I don't measure. I'm going to start off with probably about a third a cup, maybe a fourth. Actually, I'm not going to use all that. I'm going to taste it, put a little bit of water in there, bring it to a boil, then taste it. If it's not sweet enough, add just a little bit more sugar. While that is cooking, I'm going to get these pie crusts open. These have been in the fridge, so these are thawed. It's better to let them thaw. You're going to place both of these down. I'm going to put a little bit of flour on here. And we're going to cut these into squares. They're not very big, so they're going to be small. And I have my egg ready, 1 egg for the egg wash. That just gives it a pretty golden color. And butter on it is also great. So I'm going to cut those up. Let's see. Let's see what I did with my little thingy. Alright, you just want to make this a square. It's probably not going to be perfect, but that's okay. See? You just cut off the rounded parts. Okay, I have them cut. I did mess up on some of them, but that's okay. I'm going to make some bite-sized ones also. There's no wrong way to do it the way you want it, but if you want it to look like a Pop-Tart, of course, you could probably measure, but I don't care. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of cream cheese in the microwave and just a tiny bit of sugar, just enough to sweeten it, and some vanilla. Add a teaspoon. No measuring, just tasting. Squish it in there, heat it for just a few seconds till it softens just a tiny bit. And just a little bit of sugar. And I'll put the vanilla in after it's done. Alright, see how you just want it just a little bit soft. And now you can leave it at room temperature, but it's still, you need it to be spreadable. So. Alright, y'all, I'm so excited about making these. As you can see, the peaches I cooked, this is a fresh peach. You cook it, and you almost make like a jam out of it. Squish it up. I did add a little bit more sugar. Just taste it. See if you like it. If it's not okay, then you add more sugar. I made different shapes of all sizes just to show y'all. I am excited. This is going on to a no greased, do not grease your pan. And I've got my cream cheese right here. You can see everything. I'm just going to put it, not a lot, because you just want the creamy flavor and the peaches together. So now this is going to be longer than normal, but that's okay. show you. I'm just going to put some of these peaches. Ooh, those look yummy. And then I'm just, my parchment paper is not going to be still here, so. All right, I'm going to shake that flour off. I don't want all that on there. And then just place that over the top. And let me get a fork. Just going to press it down. Now you do need to poke holes in the top of the crust. Use a fork. Okay, now I'm going to do one that's just strawberry or raspberry, because I love raspberry. Just a little bit of this. That should be delicious. Pop that on there. I've got the holes already in it. Okay, we're going to mix the egg up. Just do a little egg wash over the top. Now I have some raspberry, and then peaches and cream. Just going to do a quick all the way across. Put it in the oven just like the pie crust says. 400 degrees, about 11 minutes. Just watch it. And then they'll be done. All right, these are, I got the egg wash all over them. They're going in the oven for about 11 minutes. All right, while that is making, and while it's baking, I'm going to throw together the frosting. Just a little bit of powdered sugar, some heavy whipping cream, not much, a little bit of vanilla. If it doesn't stir up good, then you add some more cream. Just a little bit of vanilla, because I got vanilla in everything. Just about another tablespoon of heavy cream. I like it because it's richer. And that's about all you're going to need right there. Maybe just a tiny bit more just to make it spreadable. That's it. All right, it's time to get these things out. Yummy, look at those, all different sizes. Let me get something to set them on. And my chopping board is going to be pretty on here. I'm going to take and I'm going to go ahead and put the frosting on it. And I don't really like sprinkles, but because that's what Pop-Tarts have, I'll put them on there. Just on one or two. I know kids like them, so therefore, gotta have sprinkles. I'm just gonna do these. Oops, and I just dropped them everywhere. All right, just put it over there. You can drizzle it. And just sprinkle it. See? All right, now I've got sprinkles on this one. The icing hardens pretty fast. Pop-Tart, peaches and cream, yummy. Let's open this one up and see what it looks like real fast before my time runs out. Ooh, yes, I think so. Peaches and cream. Try them. Now these are 100% better than the store-bought, I think, and they don't really take long to make. And you can make them any flavor you like. I did peaches and cream. Whatever jams is in your fridge. Just simple and easy. But I would say I would use butter next time to coat the top. I like it better, the flavor, so.